It's not often I get to shoot 2 interviews of property developers in one day. So I thought, why not do a BTS behind the scenes video to show you guys all that happens behind the scenes. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Kelvin. I document all things property with a particular interest into HMO property investing. Today, I'm taking on a video where I interview episode 3 of the interviews and progression videos towards Akash and Alysha's videos. And I also have a new episode 1 in the area of Bolton where I interview Asif Omar on his new project, which is going to be also a bang. I'm currently just getting myself ready. I finalized the scripts, I finalized all the different shots I need. I am dressed, so the last thing to do is make myself a cup of tea. Whilst my tea bag is brewing, I have this idea, and it just came to me the other day. I'm going to be interviewing and documenting other people's journeys. Why am I doing that? Because I realized, because I'm so passionate about the HMO property strategy, I want to really submerge myself in different people's projects and understand how each person goes about finishing their developments. Now, property is something that's very unique. Everyone has their own little taste on properties. So I thought, what better way to actually get behind the scenes with these amazing developers trying to create amazing properties for others to live in. This episode today is taking you through 2 completely different developers, and I hope from these episodes you can see everyone has their different approach, but the main aim is to create high quality HMOs. I'm hoping to create a name for the series, but for now, I'm just going with it. I'm not thinking too deep into it. I'm just giving you the content that you guys are looking for. On that point, if there's anything that you feel like, you know what, it'd be good if Kelvin was able to document that, please, 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 let me know in the comment section below. I need your help. If you're a subscriber, if you're just coming across this, what kind of content when I'm interviewing these developers would you like to know? Is it the numbers? Is it how they got into it? Is it training? Is it mindset? Let me know, guys. Just have my cup of tea. Now I've got to basically go and get my videographer, drive to the first site, interview Akash and Alysha, finish up with that, and then I'm going to head off to the next site, which is in Bolton. I want to bring you guys along the journey. Come in the car, we'll go get James. It's going to be a good day.
Bolton. Let's do this.
James has been my videographer, working together for the other ones.
Oh, not me being in the vlog.
This is great.
Hello.
It's looking absolutely mental. I see they've got new windows in. Don't know what's happening with the roof. Their roof looks a bit bad.
I can't believe it's just all open at the back here.
So they're going to quickly go into the property. I've not been here for obviously a month. James has not been here for a month. The aim today is to shoot episode 3. So we're going to go in, see what the house looks like, and then shoot a video. But this is behind the scenes.
Hello, how are you? So excited to see this today. I can't wait.
Just going to keep wanting to see it, and they're going to be invested. Take us through this one, Alash. That's a blooper.
Better than a quiche.
What is this, sorry?
So it's the room intercom system, so when each room is getting a delivery, they can press the room button and then they can come and get the parcel.
That's one thing I didn't do. I definitely wish I did do it, so sick on that, mate. So we've just finished shooting the 3rd episode of Akash and Alysha's vlog on the development. At the minute, we're just behind the scenes, just looking at some paint stuff. The guys are here. This is obviously BTS of the kitchen. Loving this space now. What I found is on shooting these development tours, the properties we're showing you guys are changing so fast. So all the videos are only gonna have probably about 4, maybe 3 episodes. And we're trying to come in at big changes rather than just showing you guys liquor paint, one ensuite in. We're trying to make sure the videos have big, bold changes. But we're gonna now move across to Bolton, shooting with Asif Omar. If those of you who don't know, Asif is doing amazing things in the property filter space, and he has his first 6-bed, I believe, HMO in Bolton. So it would be good to kind of shoot episode 1 on that. I think the build has already started. So we're literally just gonna try and document what's been happening. Asif will take us through, and that'll be another episode I'll be taking you guys through monthly. Akash and Alysha are leaving, heading off to Nando's. I'm jealous. We've got to shoot another video with another developer. So we're heading off to Bolton.
Asif, how you doing, my boy? You good?
I'm good, yourself?
I'm good, mate. I'm just checking you're still good for 1:30.
Oh, is it 1:30 now?
What time did we say?
1.
Oh shit, I'm so sorry, mate.
That's alright. Don't worry. I'm here. It's fine.
Okay, great. I'll see you soon, mate. I'll be there shortly. Oops.
But I knew it was 1, but then when you said 1:30, I was like, oh, you must have pushed it there.
That's so bad. I'm so sorry. I did not know that.
Obviously, firstly, buzzing to see Akash and Alysha, it was just great.
Yes.
I just think they're just so, make the process so easy and fun.
Also, like, we shot that question again about couples working together. It just shows that sometimes things are high, sometimes things are low, but all is well. How do you think it went?
Yeah, I think it went well. My only concern would be, I feel like we were not over-prepared, but almost like thinking too much content-wise. Yeah. Whereas, like, they lead the content in these videos, really.
Yeah, 100%. The content is led by what they're up to, what they've been doing. I feel like a lot of the overthinking is me, because I feel like sometimes I watch a video through and thinking, oh, I wish we said this, I wish we said that. But for the most part, it's fine.
Random topics are going to just come up. They're going to be like, oh, actually, this is well. Like, we just missed that about the gate at the end. They're like, oh, someone stole the gate from the back garden. I didn't even know about that. What's the situation with Asif's property?
Asif is someone I've connected with for over a year now on socials. Met him in person back when I was coming up and down Manchester. He works with Property Filter. So for those that don't know, Property Filter is a great way to find properties. It searches all the different property portals, Rightmove, Zoopla, all in one platform. So people looking for deals don't have to go on Zoopla, go on Rightmove. It shows you loads of stuff. So Asif has his first HMO. It's an area that I was previously looking at. So it just shows me the insight of property from a different area and how Asif is approaching it. I think he's working on it with a JV partner, so that's something to talk about. I have no idea what the building looks like. I've not been there. But if I know Asif, I know it's going to be another great one to document. Great guy, great enthusiasm.
I'm excited.
Anything for you, James, that you think we should do better than the first video we did with Akash and Alysha?
Maybe try and get some more B-roll. We've already got better quality equipment in terms of microphones, because the microphones were tragic in that video, if you remember. We hadn't got this that day. And just getting to know his personality. We wanted to feel like it's different to the Akash and Alysha videos, and that'll be through his personality and his vibe.
Sometimes, especially with the first few videos, you don't need to do too much. He's gonna just take us through what the proposals are. So yeah, looking forward to it. Just arrived at Asif's HMO. It's a very quiet street of Bolton. Got James there getting himself together. This is what it looks like, and this is the house, just where that tree is. So guys, this is Asif. We're gonna shoot a video today of Asif behind the scenes. I can see rip out has already started. Asif, the plan for this video, my boy, is literally just, I wanna know your plans. I wanna see the layout, which we've kind of gone through already. Asif has been in the HMO space, property space for a long time now. I call Asif a master networker. This is what the front is looking like. Absolutely carnage. But this is property, guys. This is what it looks like. Currently getting mic'd up, about to shoot episode 1 for Asif.
Room to room, there's gonna be obviously like more talking points for maybe one space than another. You just take it as it comes. We wanna document the process that you're going through, so it's what you want talked about, really. Yeah, Kelvin will just come back and ask you.
Absolutely. So my name is Asif, and I'm a property entrepreneur based in Greater Manchester.
Heard about Robocop. Asif thinks the front door keys got missing, or the builder's got it. How are we gonna leave and not have the front door locked? Good. So
we're back in the car.
Back in the car. I'm knackered. I don't know about you.
Yeah, no, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm hungry.
We started. What time did I get you? I think about 8.
You got me at 8. Yeah.
That's 3:45 p.m. now. Shot episode 1 with Asif. How do you think that went?
I thought that was so interesting. It was a different vibe, I think, to Akash and Alysha. Asif seemed to just really know what he wanted to talk about in every room and just get it all kind of said. He's more in on the build type stuff rather than the, what do you call it? The like,
I think you're saying the design.
The design, yeah.
I know the plan now. We've probably shot 3 videos today, which is good because I'm trying to get into a point where I'm uploading weekly. You know, James, that was my hardest thing last year. So now I just work with you. You can, in your own time, work on the videos.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just see if we can repurpose stuff.
What you said a few weeks ago about deciding what a YouTube video is and what it's going to be about, any other content around that revolving around that.
One thing I've learned is we together working on videos are getting better at everything.
Yeah.
So I was saying in the car before, like, these are going to be our worst videos. And I'm happy to look at this.
Whoa!
Sorry guys, someone just cut across me like a numpty and they made me emergency brake. Anyway, these videos are like video diaries, and that's why I want to bring in a lot more of these vlogs. because in years to come we can look back on these and be like, bloody hell, was doing those videos. Look at the quality now. Guys, if you have got this far in the video, let us know in the comments what you want to see, what you liked. If you liked the other videos with developers, let us know anything. Trying to get a bit more engagement with you guys, build a bit more community. But yeah, hopefully if you like these videos, let us know. Do a bit more behind the scenes stuff. Yeah, and James is the wizard behind it all, so I'm just surprised in front of the camera, James behind it. But yeah, James, any last words?
If you have any thoughts on the introduction to the Akash and Alysha video too, then otherwise, no, I'm just grateful to be here and excited to be on the journey together. It's just really exciting to have such a big project to be working on together. It's really fun, really fun.
Pleasure. All right, guys, over and out. See you on the next one.